chillaxing on the beach. You can kind of see their fence got messed, knocked, smashed, bashed. What does the sign say? It probably says don't come anywhere close. Don't feed. Don't go in. Don't throw trash in our little crocodile habitat here, which has extended beyond the boundaries and come to the beach. Oh, look at that guy going in the water over there. Aha! They got our doorway there. Do you see that? Eric? And over a rock he goes or something. Anyway, yeah, looks like we need a new fence. There's a couple more boys over there on the other side. And then there's the big boy here. Anyway, we used to have a guy named Tamaku, or Tamaku, who took care of these guys forever and ever and ever and ever. And he used to walk around with the little babies, and he'd bring all the leftover fish from the market.
Or little babies like over there.
And feed them. Yeah, he never fed them little babies like that.
I want to go before they do.
Before they feed their babies?
No, before the Crocs take them.
They're not going to take them. These guys are well fed. So, anyway, yeah, here we are, Playa Linda. Usually for Eric's birthday, we go all the way to the other side of the bay over there, where you can see the little sailboats behind that truck. The little Hobie cats. And play at Club Med for the day. But since he cut his toe so bad, we have to postpone that for a few days. Se puede pescar cocodrilo.
Real?
Sí. Okay, looks like Eric wants to go. So, Playa Linda, one of our favorite places. Okay, aloha. Oh, I think he lives down here.